Well, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the videos. I figured today I will kind of bring you along, give you an update of what's going on. You guys have seen this car plenty of times. It's my '05 FXT. Basically what's happening is I am trading it because it's my daily. I'm going to sell it and hopefully trade up to something a little bit nicer, more reliable, better on gas, all that stuff. Maybe something probably without a turbo, so don't roast me because I know, turbo life, but this thing, it's been really good to me, but I just want something a little newer for my daily and I don't necessarily need a turbo, so just figured I'd update you guys really quick. My bro Ty, you guys have seen him comment on the videos. He's detailing the car right now so I can sell it. Nothing crazy. Interior is pretty good, so I'll show you guys real quick what it looks like. Got the leather seats and everything. It's time. It's an auto tragic, so it doesn't really hurt my feelings that bad anyways, but just an update. I know you guys are maybe looking forward to me building this thing, but it's just not in the cards right now. I've got to focus on my WRX and everything, so that's the plan for this. I don't know what else we're going to get into, but we'll start with that, and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, everybody, like I said, I wasn't really sure what we'd get into, but it seems like this weekend might be kind of eventful. As you guys know, I've got the STI black trunk and wing on my WRX, so I'm actually going to trade that for a carbon trunk. So let me know your thoughts on that down in the comments. Obviously I'll show you guys once I get it on, but just figured I'd update you what we're doing today. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that trunk off. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the car before we take it off and everything, but I'm gonna pull that one off, get in the car, we're gonna go meet my buddy, and we're gonna swap trunks. His isn't perfect, obviously. It's got a pretty large crack in it, so I will show you guys that when we get to it, and maybe you guys can give me some tips on fixing it. But for now, let's go ahead and get that trunk off. If you are interested in seeing the other videos, I will link them up here, to me fixing the trunk and everything. But for now, let's just get it off. So there's the trunk one more time before we take it off. Just showing you guys how it looks one last time before we trade for the carbon. The carbon's got a duck bill, but obviously you guys will see that in a minute. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about the swap, if you would do the swap yourself or if you'd keep the STI trunk and wing. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off and get it in so we can hurry up and swap them out. All right, trunk is loaded up. Let's go see the other one. Well, there it is installed. It was so quick and easy to get it put on that I didn't really even think about recording having it out. We got them swapped out. This one's on. It's in a little bit worse shape than I initially thought. Hopefully I can get in touch with somebody that knows how to repair carbon and they can help me out. Let me show you guys. As you can probably see how clear and shiny the clear coat is on the back of the trunk compared to the top. It's pretty easy to see, like right here where the fading starts. So the top is faded pretty bad, and then we've got this crack that goes from here all the way down to about the middle of the trunk, about right there. And then there's a little spot right here where it's spider webbing. Looks like it was probably dinged right there. And then this little spot right here that's pretty bad. So like I said, it's in a little bit worse shape than I initially thought, but hopefully we can get somebody knowledgeable that can repair carbon and I will have them help me fix it. But the plan for this is to put a big wing, not like super big or anything crazy, but a big, probably another carbon fiber wing with like aluminum risers or whatever. Like I said in the previous clip, let me know what you guys think of this trunk compared to the STI one. I think with the carbon fiber hood, it's going to match really well. I just hope I can get it as clean and shiny as this one. But let's see what else we can get into this weekend. Today is Saturday, my last day of work, so I've got Sunday and Monday to get into some more fun stuff. So let's see what else we can do. I'll bring you guys along. Well guys, since we don't really have a lot going on and none of the cars really have anything fun to do to them right now, I figured I'm going to go ahead and clean up this area right here. This is all my tools and all my crap. We're gonna clean it up as best as we can, and then we'll probably call it there for the video. So let's get this area cleaned up, and then I will give you guys an update on what's going on, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so my area is mostly clean, not perfect. As you can see behind me, there's a ton of stuff. This whole thing is a mess. I'm gonna go through it here pretty soon. Once I get this shell out of here, shouldn't be too long, but once I get this out of here, I will go through and do a deep clean of the garage. If you guys are interested in seeing like a home garage tour or a home toolbox tour to show you what tools and stuff I have here at my house, just let me know down in the comments. I'd be happy to do something like that. I don't know if you guys know about this thing or not, but this is going to my good buddy Ben. He's going to be putting his Forester turbo motor into this thing just to sell it. That's a different story. If you guys are interested in that, let me know and I'll do a video on that. But for now, that's going to do it. I don't really have much else to do. This video is already taking too long to get out. So I really appreciate you guys watching. If you stayed this long, say #projectcar. And I will give you guys more updates on everything that's going on in the next video, so stay tuned for that. We got a lot of stuff coming. Like I already showed you guys the trunk and everything, so stay tuned for me getting that restored. But for now, like I said, that's going to do it, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.